The Christmas is almost here, and if you have not yet glowed up, then this video is for you. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favy, with a beautiful face. And if today is the very first day you see me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Amarachi Favy, like I said earlier, and over here we do all things related to skincare, feminine hygiene. I give you guys tips, especially this festive period. Okay, I give you people tips that can help you to glow up this particular period. And before I forget, happy new month my loves. And if you have been looking forward to glow up with just 3 products, this particular video is for you, because for this particular video we are going to be achieving this glow, this healthy glow, with just 3 products. If this kind of video is kind of video that you're interested to watch, please stay subscribed so that you get notified once I upload a new video, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. But let's just dive into the video right away. So in this particular section, we're going to be needing just 3 products for this particular glow that we're talking about. If you want to have a healthy skin, a skin that is radiant, visibly brighter this particular period, then you should just stick to these 3 products. And the products I'm talking about in this video is the Asantee Papaya and Honey Bar Soap. I've talked about the particular product a lot of times on my channel, and the particular one is the Asantee Papaya and Honey Soap. Just as the name says, it contains papaya, which is pawpaw extract. It also contains honey, which helps to moisturize your skin. The papaya extract that it contains helps to brighten up your skin and give you a glowy and a brighter looking skin. If you have used this bar soap, you can be able to attest what I'm trying to say in this video. It also contains Q10, AHA and BHA, okay? And AHA and BHAs are chemical exfoliants which helps to exfoliate our skin. Remember that your skin cannot glow if your skin pores are closed or your skin has dead skin cell living on the surface of your skin. There is no how your skin will be able to be brighter or radiant. But the one thing about this soap is that it helps to exfoliate your skin. It helps to give you that proper wash that you need from the shower. It also helps to give you a brighter looking skin, and it will not leave your skin to be very, very drying. But if you have a dry skin, okay, I would advise that you really lock in moisture once you are done using this bar soap. But if you don't have a dry skin like me, okay, you are good to go. But that does not mean they're not going to properly moisturize your skin, but just that those that have dry skin will be heavier, okay, on moisturizing. Do you understand the point now? So the second product they're going to be needing for this healthy glow that we're talking about this festive period would be the Dove Invigorating Care, okay? And the particular one is for all skin types. It has avocado oil and candula extract, okay? It is 100% dermatologically tested, and also this particular one contains 100% natural oil, meaning that this particular body lotion will not leave your skin to be so dry. It will help to lock in moisture, and you're going to be having this feel as if you also locked in extra moisture using a body oil, because it contains natural oils, okay, from avocado and sunflower. This particular body lotion, I've used countless containers, okay, and this is just one of it. It is so amazing. It would help to lock in moisture. Any skin type can use it, whether you are dry skin, normal skin, sensitive skin. Any skin type can use it. Some of you normally ask in the comment section, can I apply my body lotion on my face, or do I apply my body lotion on my face? The answer is no, capital no. The name is body lotion for a reason, meaning it is for your body, not for your face. They have face creams, okay, or face lotions, whichever one you want to call it, that you are supposed to apply on your face. This is just for your body and your body alone. If you have used Dove, you should know that one thing I love about them, it is very, very affordable. It is moisturizing, it is hydrating, and it does the job that it's supposed to do. It contains water, okay, it contains water which will help to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized the right way. It also contains dimethicone, which will help to give you that silky and smooth skin that you always wish that you had. Those kind of skin that you see on adverts on the television, okay, the particular lotion will give you that kind of skin that you have been eyeing on the television, okay? So if you want to achieve this kind of glow, then you should lay your hand on this particular body lotion, okay? So once you are done applying your body lotion, you have to lock in extra moisture using a body oil. Although for this particular body oil that I'm going to show you in this video, you are only expected to use it at night. Do not use this body lotion during the day, please. I'm begging, do not use it during the day, only use it at night, okay? So once you're done applying your Dove body lotion at night, you will now go ahead to lock in the moisture using a body oil. In the morning, you are only going to be using your Dove. Do not apply any body oil, but at night you're going to be making use of this body oil from Disaar. You guys already know that if they're supposed to be making ambassador, okay, I am supposed to be the ambassador to this brand because I have talked about this particular brand countless times on this channel. This particular brand is Disaar Vitamin C body oil. Okay, this oil is a rare germ in a bottle. It's the bottle or the container looks small, but that does not mean that it is not effective or powerful. It is effective and it does the job. If you're looking forward to brighten your skin this ember period, this is the body oil that you should go for. I use this body oil myself. Okay, as you can see, this is where the body oil is. So I am recommending something that I have tested, I have tried, and it worked. Okay, this body oil will help to brighten up your skin because it contains vitamin C, okay, which is an antioxidant that helps in skin brightening. If you're looking forward to brighten up your skin and get rid of dullness, uneven skin tone, dark spots on your skin, and just get that usual glow that your skin used to have, or you want to just get a better glow, this is the one that you should go for. But like I said, do not use it during the day, only use it at night. So my loves, when it comes to how you're going to use these three products that I just talked about in this video, you are going to be having your bath with the Asantee Papaya and Honey Bath Soap. Okay, when you are done having your bath with this, you are going to apply the Dove body lotion. And after the Dove body lotion, you're going to be applying your body oil to seal in the moisture that you got from the Dove body lotion. Okay, this would help to lock in moisture, and this would help to do what? Seal in the moisture. And these three products would help to give you that brighter looking skin that you are hoping to achieve this year. I really hope you try out these products and also tell me if you have already started trying them, okay, in the comment section. Tell me the one that you are using already in your skincare stash. I would love to know, and I want to know how it is working for you. And there you have it, my loves. These are the three body products, okay, that can help you to achieve this glowy skin that we are all hoping to achieve this year 2025. Okay, as we enter the year 2026, I want all my girlies and my guys to be glowy and to be radiant. And for you to do that, you have to lay your hands on these three combo. Okay, and if you have watched a particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not make it be your last. Please hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube. And also remember to share my videos, share it to your loved ones, your friends, and your well wishers. Okay, even your enemies, you can feel free to share it to them. Remember to like and leave a comment below telling me any of these that you have used or the ones that are going to be purchasing, or if you have any question in general, just drop it in the comment section. I always respond to my comments. Okay, and until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.